Welcome to our channel Products Channel Top 10 Foysal. Here is given top 10 best sellers in portable shortwave radios. 1. Panasonic RF2400D/FM radio silver. 2. Sony ICFP26 portable AM/FM radio. 3. Retekess V115 portable FM radio with shortwave radio MP3 player digital record support micro SDTF card sleep timer and rechargeable battery black. 4. J5 transistor radio battery operated FM radio with excellent reception portable weather NOAA radio powered by 3XD cell batteries or AC power for household and outdoor by PRUNUS. 5. Crane CC Skywave SSB FM shortwave NOAA weather plus alert Scannable VHF aviation band and single side band small battery operated portable travel radio. 6. Crane CC Skywave FM shortwave weather and airband portable travel radio with clock and alarm. 7. Sangean WR16 AM/FM/Bluetooth wooden cabinet radio with USB phone charging. 8. Sangean LB100 Ultra Rugged Compact/FM Radio. 9. 2020 upgraded version emergency solar hand crank radio portable AM/FM NOAA weather radio for outdoor household emergency device LED flashlight 2200 mAh power bank compass SOS alarm. 10. Sangean TB100 Tough Box AM/FM/OIN Ultra Rugged Digital PLL Tuning Rechargeable Radio Special Edition Black. Product photos. 1. Excellent reception frequency range. FM 87 to 108 MHz, AM 521,710 kHz, WB 162.40 162.55 kHz, equipped with high-quality DSP chip and telescopic antenna. Greatly enhanced signal reception without static. Enjoy your favorite stations.